Okay, so I just read about pytauri and it's wild. It's like bringing Rust's power into the Python world without needing to write Rust code.
Wait, what? So you can develop with Python but tap into Rust's features. That's a game changer for Python developers.
Exactly, it's almost like having the best of both worlds. But I wonder about the learning curve for those who aren't familiar with Rust.
That's true, but it seems they really designed it so you can avoid Rust altogether if you want. The pytauri wheel makes it all Python.
Right, so you don't even need a Rust compiler? That's kind of intriguing, but does it limit functionality?
Good point. While it simplifies things, you might miss out on advanced features that require Rust.
That makes sense, but I'm curious about the performance aspect. Is Python running on top of Rust really that fast?
They claim there's no IPC overhead thanks to Pyo3, which is fascinating. But I'd love to see some benchmarks.
Yeah, seeing actual numbers would be ideal. And what about UI development? I heard you can integrate with things like Fast API.
Oh, totally. It can create full-stack Python applications without requiring Node.js. That's pretty liberating.
It really is. It almost feels like reinventing the wheel for desktop apps. What do you think about its competition, though?
Well, pytauri aims to compete with Electron and PySide, but those have established ecosystems. Can pytauri catch up?
True, but the community-driven aspect might speed things up. Plus, their commitment to open source is appealing.
For sure, and community contributions could really enhance its features over time. Do you think that could create consistency issues?
Possibly, but if they manage their contributions well, it could lead to robust development. The potential is exciting.
Right, and I was surprised to see it's already being used in projects like Digger Solo, an AI-powered file manager.
Wait, that's impressive, but how mature is pytorch? It's still young, right?
Yes, early days, but the features they have are solid. It's like a promising startup. A lot can happen.
I like that perspective, but the integration with existing libraries is crucial. Are there limitations we should watch for?
Definitely. While they're supporting use with various libraries, the actual compatibility needs careful checking.
Exactly, and what about the ergonomics? They mention an ergonomic API close to Tauri's Rust API. Is that user-friendly?
It sounds good in theory, but until we see more developer feedback, it's hard to gauge how intuitive it truly is.
Right, and I wonder if experienced Rust developers would find it limiting, or if they'd welcome the Python integration.
That's a great question. Some may love it, others might crave more control that Rust provides. It's a mixed bag.
For sure, and the idea of bridging Python's garbage collection with Rust's safety is intriguing. How will that play out?
I think it could lead to innovative solutions, but it might also introduce new complexities. Balancing both is key.
Totally, and with Tauri's trademark fit, it's interesting to see how they differentiate themselves while respecting that.
Absolutely. It's like walking a tightrope. They need to build a unique identity without stepping on toes.
And with that comes the question of long-term sustainability. Can they maintain momentum and relevance?
That's a challenge for any new tech. If they establish a strong user base, they could potentially thrive.
Good point, and I love the idea of using pytorch to build AI applications. AI's future in desktop apps is exciting.
Definitely. Imagine combining AI with a sleek GUI. There's so much potential to explore in that space.
Right? It's like we're on the cusp of a new era for desktop applications. What a time to be a developer.
Exactly. And as this evolves, I can't help but wonder, what innovations could we see from pytauri down the line?
That's the exciting part. It's a journey of discovery for both users and developers. Can't wait to see what happens.
Agreed. But until we see broader adoption, we should keep an eye on its growth and community engagement.
Absolutely, that's what makes the tech world so lively. Every new project can lead to the next big thing.
And who knows? Maybe pytauri will redefine how we think about GUI applications in the Python ecosystem.
That would be amazing. It's thrilling to think about all the possibilities. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
For sure, and I can't wait to see how the community rallies around it. It's all about collaboration.
Exactly. The future is bright, but it will take collective effort to illuminate it even further.
Absolutely. So, what's our takeaway? pytauri has potential, but we need to watch its evolution.
Right on, it's a promising tool, but like any new tech, it requires careful monitoring and community input.
And that's what keeps it exciting. New tools challenging the status quo can lead to great innovation.
Exactly, let's stay curious and engaged and see where pytauri takes us next.
I'm all in. Here, S to a future filled with exciting developments in the world of Python and Rust.